Hi everyone.
Wow.
Welcome to MattiePP channel. How's everyone doing?
I'm great.
I'm great.
Yeah, it's a good day. Good day.
Good. We're going to Universal Studios. Today we're going to try and ride the new Harry Potter coaster. See if we'll be able to do that.
Yeah.
Maybe. Who knows? Depending on weather. It's kind of cloudy right now. But,
We're hoping it cleared people out though.
Yeah. So stay tuned. We'll have a great time.
All right.
We're looking at the ride over here, and we're going to show you.
One or two people, nothing crazy.
A little crazy. Yeah.
Hogwarts Express. Hogwarts.
What do you want to do?
I mean, I'm down to get some coffee.
Sounds great. Let's do that. All right.
Ooh, the pad
So
free. Ooh.
we're at Mythos right now. Yeah. We're getting, I believe we're going to go with the calamari, starting out with.
Yes.
What was that I saw? Oh, right here. Yeah, I saw the calamari right here. That just looks really good. We're both kind of a fan of calamari, so
Love it.
really good at that. And I don't know for an entree, we're still kind of deciding what we want.
The pad thai sounds really good. You mentioned the blackened fish tacos. That sounds really good.
Yeah. So yeah, it totally does sound really good. I don't know.
Now the question is, to be fancy, you know, pinky out and everything, what is going to pair West with our drinks?
True. We are getting the, I think it's called Mythos Potion of the Gods right here. And then it has all those flavors in it.
Potion of the Gods. Delish.
That looks really good. So I don't know what's going to go with that. Everything, I'm sure. It's just a whole bunch of liquor in a glass, which I'm happy about.
Yeah.
I'll totally take that.
A lot of liquor with a drop of mixer. Perfect.
So we're trying to share like an entree because we're not really that hungry, but I really wanted to try this place, and I knew at this time we would probably be a really good time to do it. What do you think, blackened fish?
Yeah.
All right,
I'm feeling a little spicy right now.
We're gonna keep it seafood today.
Yeah.
Let's do that. So we're gonna do the blackened fish tacos.
There they are. Ooh. All right.
Ooh, and let's see how these taste.
Oh.
Let them make a mess.
Get that coveted first sip.
First sip. Really good.
Okay.
Very good.
I was like, your face said it all.
You gotta try it now.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh,
Yeah. Totally good.
Oh, we're in for a good day. We're in for a great day.
Yeah. So, I don't know if you guys have ever been in Mythos, but this is what it looks like right here. They give us a little bread and everything. I love bread. This is cool. I didn't realize they did this.
Universal butterbugs.
Yeah, little universal butterbugs. It's neat. Nifty. I don't know, the bread looks really good too.
Branding, theming, 10 out of 10.
Absolutely. It's really good. We just got our calamari. That looks really good. Kind of reminds me of the ones that we had where I work from. I like that they grilled the lemon. So it always brings a little bit of char into it. Really nice. Good. So, how's calamari?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
I like it. I also noticed too, sauce on the bottom as well. Keep it down, but as you grab your calamari, as I rip it apart, oh, that's a terrible piece. Oops. 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 There's a point to all this. You get some sauce on there, a little more sauce over here, and you get a real saucy with your calamari.
Yeah, I do like how they put a little bit of the sauce underneath this. And he said it was like, it holds it down. It's smart. Very smart. Yeah, a little lemon on that. And just so you know, we have this really beautiful view, kind of looking out over the water. A minute ago, it was just like, you couldn't see very well because it was raining so heavily, but it's kind of nice just to escape the rain. All right, I'm excited. Blackened fish tacos. So those look really good. See like the cabbage and carrots. It looks like there's a little cilantro in there too. A little bit of red pepper mix, like a pico salsa.
Pico.
I don't know what this is called right here. Looks like some kind of, taste it, right?
It looks like potato salad from a
It does
distance.
look like potato salad, man. Potato salad.
Okay. I mean, I love potato salad, so I'm not mad at that.
So I'm gonna try my first taco.
All right.
Wish me luck.
Fish me luck.
It's really good. It has some kind of like sauce with it. I want to say like almost like this coleslaw mixed with it. And it's the fish is really good. It's not overpowering. The lettuce and everything, there's a nice crunch to it. So it's really good.
All right. Ooh, yeah. Already making a mess. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I really like them.
That's got some amazing flavor.
Yeah, it does.
It's so well balanced too.
No, like, yeah. All right, we're gonna enjoy the rest of these. See you a little
See
bit.
you on the other side.
Yeah. We are waiting for the rain to stop. So it's clearing up a little bit. I looked at the radar. It shouldn't be too bad right now.
Just a light sprinkle now.
Yeah, but we're so close we can let you take a look at this. It's still a little packed here. Kind of see this sign over here. And these are all the people waiting for it to open up. They've been braving the weather.
Oh, what?
We are in line right now. We're gonna take you along with us to see what it's like. No, we're not gonna show you POV because you've already seen POVs, I'm sure, by now. I can always post a link down below, and you can see a POV of it if you want to watch it at the same time. We're gonna watch our reactions to it, so maybe that'll be something new.
Yes.
About to walk onto the ride. Let you guys see a little bit.
Just follow the path. I can't wait for you to meet the Scroots. I'll see you all in the morning. Gotta see about the unicorn.
Yeah, I didn't get any video of the ride, but it was amazing.
Hagrid Express.
Hagrid Express.
Gotta go fast.
Yeah, it was so much fun. I'd really recommend anyone going for it. Like even like the few hours we waited was well worth it.
Absolutely.
When they were saying 10 hours, I don't know about 10 hours.
Yeah, that's too far.
I don't think anything's worth 10 hours, you know, unless it's $1 million, maybe then,
I'd consider it at that point.
maybe. But yeah. All right,
But
well,
yeah, lots of fun.
yeah.
I am still on an adrenaline high. I'm like, I'm going to do stuff now.
Yes. Totally on that. All right, well, that does it for us tonight here at Universal Studios Islands of Adventure. We're signing out. Everyone have a good day.
Good night.
Bye.
I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even